It's possible to level up as a single mother. It's possible to do anything, period. It's possible to lie about having kids. It's possible to look at yourself in the mirror and say, do men like what I look like? Do I look leveled up enough? Thank you for the donation, sprinkle, sprinkle. And I also wanted to, thank you, Kimberly. I also want to talk about that type of question that I get asked on every video. So having a baby makes you what? Unattractive, ugly, what else? Untouchable, unable to level up. Did you grow a hump on your back while you was pregnant too? Like, what does that have to do with leveling up? That has nothing to do with leveling up. Nothing. Look at all the celebrities and women around your neighborhood that have kids. Are some of them leveled up? Right.
YouTube. Good evening, fellas. Ferocious Mgtow here. And I'm currently not rolling. I'm already parked for the night, doing my 10-hour break. And I said I was going to give you all a video today, but I was trying to cover a lot of ground today, so I decided to wait till I break it on down before I give you all a video. Right now I'm in Ohio, and I'm headed back to Chicago. I think they got a big load waiting for me or something, so I'm supposed to call them first thing in the morning to see what they got for me. But anyway, I wanted y'all to hear what my favorite post-wall BW, you know, overweight post-wall BW, what she's up to. They talking about single mothers leveling up, and she basically is telling them there's no reason why they can't. And I'm thinking to myself, like, wow, check that out. They really think that we still dumb as a box of rocks, huh? Don't they know that our knowledge and our philosophy has caught up with all the flim-flam, all the 3-carb molly, all of the finesse, all of the lying, all of the deceptions, right? All of the manipulations. We done caught up. These women are finished. They are finished. Just the mere fact that that woman called in to ask. Why is it so fuzzy right now? Hold on, fellas. There you go. The mere fact that this chick wrote in the chat, is it possible that single mothers level up? And she tell her, of course she got to say yeah. She don't want to say no, even though that mother, that single mother who asked that question, the reason why she asking that question, because she's she's probably having a hard go at it out here in these streets. She's probably getting looked over, passed over. Basically, she's invisible with the little crumb snatchers. Because I know when I see women with kids, I don't care how fine they is, I pretend like I don't see them. Plain and simple. I don't even look in their direction. I let them know how I feel. You can tell it in my body language when I walk past them in Walmart or Target or wherever I'm at. So they feel it. That's the reason why she's writing, trying to figure out, is it just her, or is it still possible for her to level up? And you're going to bring somebody else's baggage, and you think somebody gonna come and pay top dollar, and you basically you're basically used goods, and you come along with baggage and hostages, and you can't discipline them kids even if you decide to get with a single mother. Let's say, because some of them still, you know, some of them bounce back pretty well. Just a few. Most of them out out of the game after one kid, especially after two. And Lord forbid if they got 3 or 4 or 5, they totally out of the game, right? They basically might as well become, they might as well get their liquor license. So that's the only thing they're gonna be able to get out here, right? Is another one of them, and they can have the dysfunctional Brady bunch. You get you another overweight post-wall BW with 3 kids, and you can have a freaking Brady bunch situation, but dysfunctional, because that's the only people that's gonna go for that. That's a bad deal for any dude. Now, I know guys, pump and dump them, on a short-term basis. That's cool because they don't want you to meet the kids and all that. You got to go through all that old, y'all know how it go. You can't meet my kids. You can't meet my kids. You're right. I don't want to meet your damn kids. Put them little hostages to bed. You know what I mean? So I can do some finger popping. You know what I mean? Put them little rug racks to bed so I can do some finger popping in here. If I gotta pull you out on the balcony, on the porch, on the steps, I done done it everywhere. Come on, park in the back of the house on the garage pad and do finger popping in the car with the back door open in case one of them little hostages wake up. But these women out of their minds, fellas. They are out of their minds. That's what I see them doing all the time. They out of their damn minds. You seriously ask that question? Can you level up with kids? Hell no, you can't. This woman, she get these donations and all that, and yeah, she gotta tell you that. She gotta feed you the false hope. We don't us red pill men, we don't deal in hope and wish and pray and all that other stuff. It's about what you get out here and make happen. Now, if they took a different approach, that's why I need to be calling into a man. Especially a guy like me, brother from the hood. You know what I'm saying? I tell her the truth. No, you can't level up unless you take a page out of Kevin Samuel's book. Are you a size 4? Are you inspirational? Are you cooperative? And will you give whoever you dating the permission to discipline them little hostages if need be? Do you cook, clean, and are you cooperative? If you did those things, maybe you could get a dude on some semi LTR. But of course, they're not willing to do none of that. That's too much work, right? We not worth it. That's how they look at it. They just want to level up by being deceitful, lying, being manipulative, conniving, deceptive. That's what level up means to them. They don't want to do no hard work. See, we willing to get out here, roll up our sleeves and get it done. 16-hour days, no problem. 6 hours of sleep, no problem. To get what we want, because the world ain't giving us a damn thing. So the only way men can level up, we got to go out here and make it happen. Ain't no hope. Hope is for them. That's for the birds. It ain't for us. We get out here and make it happen. And so we get out here and make it happen, bust our butts, put forth this type of effort, super Herculean effort, just to turn around and give it to a post-war overweight BW or CW with 3 and 4 hostages? They out of their damn minds. Don't they know we done caught up? Don't they know the red pill is out here? If they don't know, they will know. But this is a joke. We not going for this no more. It's over with. I remember back in the day, I've dated single mothers. I've been dating single mothers ever since I was in high school. And back then, they had a little bit more on the ball than they do now. At least they was clean. They was willing to work. They would make you a meal. Some of them really did, you know, get on top of those little hostages and kept them in order, where you could slide through there late night, 12 or whatever, do a little finger popping. You know what I'm saying? Get your knob spit shine, and then be gone before they get up in the morning. But nowadays, you can't do that. These kids won't go to bed. I remember the last one I was messing with. Hell, the kids are still, I'm trying to sit over there and wait till they go to sleep. I'm putting movie on, got popcorn going, right? Giving them soda. And I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna wait it out. Hell, next thing I know, I'm asleep. They still woke. Me and her both sleep. We done collapsed on each other. The kids sitting on the floor, leaning on the couch. They still woke. I wake up, it's like 3:30 in the morning. I'm like, man, I'm out of here. I can't do it. My eyeballs on fire. I've been up all day hustling, doing my little thing. And I'm trying to wait these little hostages out, man. Shoot, I can't do it. After that, I was like, next time that chick called my phone, I cussed her out for no reason. She was like, what did I do? What did I do? Just get off my damn phone, heifer. Don't never call me no more. What is the hell wrong with you? Don't ever call me. And she was like, what did I do? What did I do? I thought we were getting along fine. Did you not hear what I said? Don't call me no more. So she stopped calling me. She waited about 5 months, called me again. I cussed her ass out again. And she was like, why you being so disrespectful? I ain't even paid no attention to what she was saying. I just kept cussing. She finally decided to stop calling me. So it's been like two or 3 years since the last time I talked to her. Man, ain't no way I'm gonna deal with her no more. Period. But yeah, guys, they still think we idiots. They still think we ain't learned. They still think that we haven't what's the word I'm looking for? Evolved. We know what the game is now. Y'all all about some trickery. That's what you're about. And so all we gotta do now is not say nothing to y'all and keep it moving. Y'all ain't gonna say nothing to us, so we good. We good. We ain't gotta worry about nothing. I see these females walking around with all these kids. I act like they don't exist. They be breaking their necks looking at me. And I act like I don't see it. So do. I love the fact I got a little tint on my glasses. Put my glasses on, had that tint hit it, had the sun hit it, so that tint started to show, and then that cover up my eye, and I can act like Stevie Wonder on their butts. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to bring y'all a quick one before I lay it down. I'm going in, take a shower, come back. I gotta do one exercise. I might do some walking around this lot. This lot pretty well lit, so I might walk around here and at least get a mile in. Use my little counter on my phone. I just wanted to bring y'all a quick one, guys. Say no to baby mamas with hostages. We don't negotiate with BWs or hostages, with hostages. We don't negotiate with BWs and hostages, with hostages. All right, guys, I just wanted to bring y'all a funny one because they must think we stupid, still stuck on stupid. We ain't stuck on stupid no more. We wise to the game. And that's it. Ain't no more. We coming in there, if anything, short-term basis only. Maybe I give her 2 pumps and I'm out. That's all I need. You know what I mean? Okay, I'm gonna let you guys go and have the rest of y'all evening to yourselves. Hope everybody's good. Hope everybody's safe. And of course, I hope you're being good stewards of your health. And as always, I wish you guys more money, more money, more money. And tomorrow, I'm not sure where I'm gonna be going, but I will be able to bring you something tomorrow because I'm close. I think I'm about 5 hours out, so I'm gonna get up early and get there so to see what kind of load they got for me because I did all that maintenance. That stuff cost me quite a bit, so I want to get all that back in the next 3 weeks. But it is what it is, so I'll go ahead and let you guys go. Peace and hair grease.